Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to break down how I installed this invisible K-tip on my beautiful client. This install came out flawless, full, seamless, and completely natural looking. She has a texture hair, so we always match the water, make sure that it's not too hot, not too cold, and brush her hair out. I did it before we sat at the bowl. And the goal is to use the clarifying shampoo to get rid of the buildup in her hair, get rid of everything that will hinder us for the K-tip. As you see, I'm scrubbing her head to clean the edges, the back, and everything really well before we jump into the actual install. So I started at the shampoo bowl to prep the hair properly. Then I follow a smooth blowout before sectioning her hair for the K-tip placement. For this look, we use 200 grams of 60-inch kinky yaki hair because it matched the client hair and the texture match was perfect. I'm still getting used to filming full video tutorial again, so I missed a few steps. But here's the main part of the installation process. So we're doing today K-tip, and right now I'm trimming the client hair before the process because it says install that lasts up to from 4 to 6 months. With this method, the extension are much easier to hide compared to other extension install. And we are in the winter right now. We don't want to put too much heat on the hair, so we decided to do middle part and side parts. Right here, she doesn't have she can put her hair up in the updo, but we didn't do the vixen where she can do middle up high, middle down, but she has still many options with this. So look at the transformation. You saw her natural hair length in the beginning. Now look how full, long, and bouncy it is. I'm letting you to watch the rest.